Sharman. So I'm one of the employee at Unseen Position. Today I'll go through a walkthrough of my company on the processes, what has been processed with my production supervisor. Here we go for the walkthrough. Thank you. So hereby I will introduce my production supervisor. So this is Mr. Jamil, production supervisor. So Mr. Jamil, we would like to know what is the processes in Unseen Position, the background of the company. So kindly explain to us the related processes.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Yugis. So my name is Muhammad Jamil. I am from production. I joined this company on 5 years already. So company Unseen Position industry making stepping part for car set and company for stamping part. For firstly, first to coil. This one for receiving coil. Receiving coil from supplier. After go to incoming. Incoming logistic for receiving. Incoming logistic receiving to put the coil before release to production. And take the after planner give me to schedule need part to run if follow the schedule. This is my incoming logistic. Okay, after receiving coil from logistic department incoming, so we receive the plan then. We receive the plan. After we run the process using progressive machine. So we selected the machine 200 ton or 250 ton, 150 ton or PMX and 80 ton. So after this thing, follow planner schedule, we run this machine. Example this machine. This machine meant 200 ton PMX. So we run production using coil. After using coil, go to tandem process. Okay, second thing after progressive running, using 200 ton PMX again to line passer. Line passer is auto line. Auto line, this one part means after finish, this one part running at line passer 36 using 1 manpower. Auto line. We produce this one means name hinge female. From progressive part number 68753. Means after go to line passer 36, separate for 2 items, 2 parts. 68753 and 68754. Thank you. Okay. Next time go to spot process. This area spot welding process. Many items for customer, especially Pro2, Hitachi, Kayaba, and TRW. So main spot welding is Pro2 part and Hitachi part. So now my operator name is Haikal. Spot welding machine number use machine number 2. So this one is spot welding auto part. Auto part means tie part from Pro2. We use during running process must be used. Okay. This operator during running production at spot welding must be used Google, earplug, safety shoe and blanket. PPE must be used every time during spot welding process. That's all. Okay, this one Hitachi part. Mainly company SCI produce for air conditioner. Air conditioner function for side part and mother part. For main board is air conditioner for SCTN. Okay, this one for WIP area. WIP area means spot welding process, stacking process, robot welding process. Robot welding process now this use 5 machines. All WIP area must be kept at all area. Okay, second thing go to Dah, stop. Okay. Mana? This one name process rework. Part name spring guide. Spring guide must be reworked because tooling die not proper repairing by tooling maintenance. BO2 all tooling. So process rework process for reduce small crack to minimize size. So also same spot welding process. During rework process must be used contact, Google and arm glove. So working garden already have and all items already sampled. Have.
So here we took a walkthrough throughout unseen position industry. So we get to know there are plenty of processes such as progressive tandem, spot welding, rework, packing and everything. So this process considered as a major process and they're producing car parts. So all of these processes have a major hazard. So when we have a walkthrough throughout this company, we can get to know there are spark, heavy metals, more noise. So this can cause severe damages to all the workers. So unseen position enhance on safety to prevent any hazard being exposed by the operators. So I would like to thank Mr. Jamil for the walkthrough. Mr. Jamil, thank you for the walkthrough and thank you for the information. We would like to appreciate your presence. So thanks to you and unseen position staff who supported me throughout this walkthrough. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. So here I have selected one of the process which is normally occurred in my company, which is known as a rework process. So hereby I will show you how the process is conducted throughout the video. So I will request my member to start the process and here we will go through the process of rework at my company. Next, we will focus more to the process as this grinding equipment is more focused to electrical equipment. It's a power tool. So we can focus where the grinder is being connected. So this is the area where the grinder is being connected. Okay. So by that we focus more to the plugs. If let's say the plug is being damaged, the cord has been damaged, so it can create electric cushion. Okay, if the wires have been damaged, any connection to the grinder have effects like torn wires. Let's say the wires is damaged inside. Okay, one of the example where electric cushion can happen. Okay, so this type of condition can cause electric cushion to the workers without his knowledge. So this will cause loss of life, okay, risk of electric cushion, exposure to electric cushion of the workers. Okay, next, due to handling such power tools, this type of equipment can cause vibration. Okay, vibration is one of the physical hazard which is mainly faced by this type of operators. Okay, when holding this type of equipment, when they are moving throughout the parts, okay, it will cause vibration. Okay. Vibration can cause, can give long-term effect to someone who is frequently handling this type of equipment. Okay, so mainly it will cause vibration syndrome. Okay, if the tools have been used for a prolonged period. Okay, moreover, the next hazard which can merely face by this type of operators when they rework the parts. Throughout the video, when the operator rework the part, you can see the sparks are coming out from the grinder. So this can cause eye injury if he doesn't wear any of the tools or anything. So by this equipments should be handled carefully. I will show you one of the example where the changing of disc in the grinder. So now my member will perform the changing this process hereby. This is how where my subordinate will change the disc for the grinder. So now he use a tool to dismantle the disc from the grinder, and he's removing off the disc from the grinder. So throughout the process, we can notice that it has been two different practices which have been practiced by the operator during the rework process. So one is changing out the disc from the grinder. Next is reworking the part which have quality issues such as dented, crack and relevant defects which is not accepted by the customer. So from here we can say that during the process of changing the disc, so what is the hazard can be faced is the operator might select unwanted or unclear discs which have been previously damaged for the rework process. He might not notice the appearance of the disc for the rework. So by this it can cause several damages such as the operator which is close with the vicinity, and then moreover it can flange out when it is not properly fixed at the disc. By this it can increase the risk of the operator being exposed to the danger such as injury to the hand and other body parts. Moreover, by changing the disc and for the grinder, it can cause explode off from the machine from the during the rework process. Moreover, the operator even can cause cut or severe lacerations due to contact with the grinder during the rework process. So you might notice when the operator changing the disc for the rework process, he took the disc from another grinder and fixed it, but he didn't check throughout the disc what is the appearance of the disc, what is the condition of the disc before changing. Moreover, he didn't wear glove in one of his hand, so it will damage, it will easily cause cut and injury to his hand or is any body part when he mishandle the disc changing process. The spark which is been produced from the grinder can cause severe effects such as eye injury. Okay, when the particles, not even the sparks, we even consider small particles small type of pieces which fly over from the rework pieces can also damage the eyesight of the operator. Next, more focusing on operation, where when reworking the parts, okay, this type of power tools usually creates noises. Okay, when creating noises, it can affect the another hazard where the operators are usually exposed to is dust. Okay, why exposure to dust can be considered throughout this work is whenever they rework, the sparks are produced. Okay, from the spark, not only the sparks are produced, even the dust, fume. It's a very severe and dangerous exposure. Operators are exposed through inhalation to the fumes and dust. So this can cause respiratory problem and moreover damage to internal organs when they are merely exposed to this type of activities.